What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Chubaranks. You ever wanted to make breakfast but don't want to eat eggs? I got the perfect recipe for you. Check it out. So you may be asking yourself, well, what the heck am I going to eat? I got you. Corn, beef, hash. Got it in a little can. I think eventually I'm going to learn how to make it from scratch. That'll be exciting. And some potatoes. Gonna be a little fancy. Throw in a bell pepper today and some onion and then some garlic. I gotta get that out right now. Should be delicious. We'll start peeling off our potatoes and then it's pretty simple after that. So we got everything chopped up. Got the potatoes. I like them a little thick so they're not too thin and they're not too small. Garlic, onion, bell pepper about to go in. So first gotta get the potatoes nice and crunchy. Best way to do it. Very crunchy. So we're gonna start turning on the pan. And this is always the hard part. I think I always mess this up. But a lot of oil? Yeah, that seems like quite a bit. Hopefully that's enough to coat the potatoes, and then we'll get them nice and golden brown, and then we'll start throwing everything else in. So that's sizzling a lot back there, but I wanted to show you how to open up this can. I've never really paid attention to the instructions, but step one, pop a hole. I've always wanted to do that. Oh, is that how you do it? Nope. Nope. Come on, you can do it. I know you can. It says right there, yeah. Come on. Gosh, that is difficult. I got an idea. Perfect. Stabbed it. That worked. Beautiful. And then we got the little handy dandy thing right here. Twist it. Is this supposed to go the other way? I hope I don't mess this up. Nope, yeah, it says this way. Okay. Oh, yeah. Nice. So we'll chop that up in a second and let our potatoes finish getting golden brown. You can already start to see it right there at the bottom. Flip them, keep them golden, and then we should be ready to throw in everything else. Got some crunchies in there. Meat's cooked, all good to go. And now we plate and then the taste test. Oh, hey there. Didn't see you. Anyway, time to eat. Got our nice toast. Listen to that. Can you hear it? Can you hear it? Oh, yeah. Listen to that. Oh, ASMR moment. Anyway, I like to eat it with some toast, get some more of that crunch with the softness going on. Uh-oh. Can I plate it correctly? I feel like it needs more. It needs more. Okay, we'll just do it like double fisting style. Okay. And the crunch makes it even better. Throw a nice over easy egg on here. That would be perfect, but we did a meal without an egg. So, till next time, we'll see each other. Nos vemos. Hit that like button, subscribe, and share with all of your friends or whoever you want to make this for you. Till next time, guys.